Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial for completing an On-Demand Administrator Academy. This video will walk you through each step to earning your Administrator Academy credit on demand. The first step is to search the catalog and choose an on-demand academy that you would like to complete. Once you have chosen and purchased the academy, you must wait to receive the confirmation email that the program has been assigned to you through EdLeaders Network. This email will contain a direct link to the on-demand program on EdLeaders Network. You can also access the program anytime under the My Learning portion of ELN. Click on the program title to get started. Let's review the Getting Started page. This page will have quick links to everything you need to complete the course. From here you can access the book, if applicable, the course guide, and the course community. You can come back to this initial page anytime you need to access one of those items. Each program will have a pre-activity, 3 or 4 parts, and an application dissemination component. Once you've completed a portion of the course, you can use the progress bar at the top of each page to jump quickly to a certain point within the course. You must complete the reflective activities and implementation plan in the course guide and submit them to the presenter and IPA at the very end of the program. Your course guide will be reviewed by the presenter, and once approved, you will get full Admin Academy credit. You can expect to see the course appear in ELLIS within 30 days of completion. If you have any questions or technical difficulty, please contact support@edleadersnetwork.org. Thank you.